Hello everyone and welcome. Do you want to transfer your Shopify store ownership but you don't know how? Well, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to do it. The first step is to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, click on settings and then click on users and permissions. Then find the section titled store owner. Click transfer ownership. Enter the email address of the person you want to transfer the store to, and then click transfer store ownership. It is as simple as that. Now, the new owner will receive an email notification and will need to accept the store transfer. Once the transfer is complete, it cannot be reversed, so please be careful before you do this. Be very cautious. Now, all store data, that is product orders, customers, will be transferred to the new owner. The billing responsibility for the store will also be transferred to the new owner. So before transferring, it is very crucial to back up your Shopify store before transferring ownership. Double check all store settings, including payment gateways, shipping settings, and taxes. Clearly communicate all the necessary information to the new owner, such as your login credentials, store settings, and any relevant documentation. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer ownership of your Shopify store to another individual. Note that this information is for general guidance only. The exact steps and options may vary slightly depending on the specific version of the Shopify platform you're using. Always refer to the official Shopify Help Center for the most up-to-date and accurate information. And if by any chance you encounter any issues or have specific questions, contact Shopify support for us. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.